we want to give a special thanks to Zuru for sending some of these products to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. You know what? It's been a while since I've been to Target. Toya, you went in the last video. Not the human-sized Target, our mini one. We made this back in 2022 to hold our mini brands. The walls fold out. I spend a little time putting things back on the shelves that are made with printables from our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. Move the shelves into place to cover the gaps in the back wall. And our mini Target is open for minis. Every once in a while, I like to redo some of our displays, like we did for Disney 100. But that will depend on what kind of minis we have or find. Let's open a few Disney mini brands Series 3. About 2 months ago, we opened our first Series 3 Disney mini brands to see if they were a good size for Barbie, where we found a Jack Skellington mini. That could be a fun display since Halloween is approaching. But let's just see which minis we find today. There are 50 plus minis in this collection, including epic movie moments. There are 5 minis inside, including a collector's guide. Honestly, I really want the VHS tapes and the books. So let's start the hunt. And our first one is a Toy Story water bottle that is finished all the way around. We do have a pretty large Toy Story section in our mini Target, so maybe we could expand that. Our next mini is, it's a box of Anna from Frozen in the new Disney Store packaging. Can it open? Yeah, and there she is. And this piece flips down. How cool is that? And the paint job looks pretty good. In the next bag, we find Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Now we have Jack and Sally in the box. And this mini is a Darth Vader helmet. Okay, that could be used in like a costume section. And whatever this is feels kind of plush. Let's see. Messed up the bag. What? It is a fabric Mickey Mouse backpack. This is kind of cool. There's a zipper that works. We got some stuffing inside. We get fabric shoulder straps. The material is pretty soft. This is totally a mini fashion level mini, and it fits our 1/6 scale dolls. Not bad for our first capsule of the day. Let's open another one. This is our second capsule, and we have a Mickey Mouse puzzle. This puzzle does have real pieces that you can put together. And this is Disney Animators Collection, Elena of Avalor. We already have a place for this one. And here we have Anna. Again! Doubles are good when you're making a store. Well, as long as it's the doubles that you want. Here we have Spider-Man. And our last mini for capsule 2 is, is that a VHS tape? It is! It's the Little Mermaid! Yeah! And it's finished all the way around. It can open, and there is a mini VHS inside that we can take out. That has a sticker with more details. We found Beauty and the Beast in our first video. Now we have the Little Mermaid. Opening capsule number 3. Totally hoping for more VHS tapes. And we have that Spider-Man thing again. Honestly, I don't know what this is. Please let me know in the comments down below. Is it like a snack holder or something? I don't know. Or maybe some kind of water bottle. I need y'all to help me out. And here we have an Iron Man mask. This is Toy Box Jessie. Yeah, we got lots of Toy Story. And this, it's an epic movie moment mini of Moana. And our last one is, another Sally. Opening our 4th capsule, we have another movie moment. It's Moana again. This one has a really good paint job. In our next bag, we have I found it. Picture game. It's a box. And another Anna. We might be able to do a frozen display. A paper bag. And our last one is a Stitch baseball cap that is too small to fit a classic Barbie. Capsule number 5. This one feels like another paper item. And yep, it's a gift card. That's not a real gift card, but it does have a picture of Grogu. And we can put it inside of our Mickey Mouse bag. But I totally don't think the gift cards should count as a mini. Toy Box Darth Vader. And this is Toy Box Doctor Strange. I think this one is a book. It is... Ooh, it's Encanto, and it can totally go with the Encanto dolls we already have on display. And the last mini for this capsule is a Tinkerbell Movie Moment Mini. We can place it right here next to our other Tink. Capsule number 6 gives us Venom from Spider-Man and another box. This looks like Nightmare Before Christmas. Yep, it's another Jack Skellington. And in this bag, we have an Iron Man mask and another Toy Story water bottle. Yep, I think this one is another backpack. Yes, we got another one. Maybe we should switch out Star Wars to make a full Mickey Mouse display. Yeah, let's do it. Sorry, Grogu. Let's clear the shelves. Take the Mickey and Minnie items off the back wall. We can place the book bags on top, then fill in the shelves with other Mickey Mouse merch. And Minnie, then we can expand Toy Story along the back wall, giving us a place to store those water bottles. I still have some empty space, so let's open our 7th capsule and see what we got. This is another empty box, and this is more Toy Story. Let's put it right there. And this is Grogu. Oops, I just moved my Star Wars section. Let's move out Marvel and add Star Wars. Now there's a place for Grogu. Wow, who knew it was so much work merchandising a miniature Target? Let's finish opening that capsule. Here we have more Star Wars. Looks like Boba Fett. Let's put him next to Chewie in our new Star Wars display. And in this bag, we find an Avengers mask from Marvel. Oops. Capsule number 8. We need books and VHS tapes. It's another Toy Story bottle. And, ooh, Disney Princess. Yes, yes, yes! We got a double for Maribel. I think this is a shopping bag. Yep, for Marvel. And this is Disney Animators Collection Rapunzel. Our Animators Collection display is pretty full, but we do have some doubles on the lower shelves. So let's replace Alice with Rapunzel. And yes, I glue all of my minis to a piece of plastic so they don't move around. However, if you don't want to use hot glue, there are other options available. And I store my doubles in the back. In the last bag for this capsule, we have... Is that another VHS? Yes, we got The Little Mermaid again. Capsule number 9 is giving us an Iron Man mask. And what's this? Is that Spider-Man? It's a golden Venom. And is that another Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas? Yeah! And this is a faux Mickey Mouse plush to go on our Mickey shelves. And we have another Toy Story water bottle. I turned them around on the shelf so they would look a little different. Capsule number 10 gives us another paper bag. This is starting off just like the last one. Here it is again. And this is the puzzle again. Let's go ahead and place it on the shelf to keep our area nice and tidy. Why do I think this is another water bottle? Oh, because it is. And this is Elsa in the box packaging, where we can open it and see the mini. Very nice. And our last bag is another VHS for The Little Mermaid. I think we can put some of the Frozen minis right there in the back. I added a suitcase, a couple of dolls, and some doubles. We even have a couple of the Frozen books from this series. Since we have this little detail here, let's move the Encanto dolls to the shelf below, then add the VHS tapes next to the book. And our mini Target is looking pretty well stocked and organized. But let's open one more capsule. This is number 11. I'm hoping to find that last VHS tape because that would be a great finale to this episode. And this is the puzzle again. I'm running out of shelf space. There we go. That works. In the next bag, we have something from Toy Story. Oh, it's Slinky Dog. Nice. 3 bags to go, and this is Buzz from Toy Story. And is that another Nightmare Before Christmas? It's our 4th Sally, and I'm surprisingly taking this very well. And our last one for today is The Little Mermaid on VHS again. We're gonna have to put the overstock on the bottom shelf. So, what to do with those mini brands? I say build a mini store that we can use as a backdrop for the dolls to do a little shopping. And I have plans for these minis, so be sure to check back in another video. Thank you for joining us while we stocked our miniature Target. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.